Use of this, that. We use this when the object is near. Let's see the examples. This is a cat. This is a pen. This is a hat. This is a car. This is a cup. This is a ball. This is a hen. We use that when the object is far. Let's see the examples. That is a book. That is a lion. That is a fan. That is a bus. That is a kite. That is a watch. That is a jug.